Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to finally be trying out the Believe Beauty Foundation. So this is the Dollar General exclusive makeup brand called Believe Beauty, and here I have the Skin Finish Foundation, medium to full coverage. And I have been wanting to try this out for a long time because I have heard so many good things about it. It has so many high ratings and it only cost $5. Looking at it, I'm shocked by that because it is nice packaging, it's glass. I was able to get this in the shade Porcelain, so it definitely doesn't have a huge shade range. So I am lucky that I was able to find a shade that looks like it should be pretty good for me when I was at the Dollar General. It says that this medium to full coverage foundation blends effortlessly for a flawless look. Its blendable formula blurs imperfections while smoothing your skin. And that's what I'm really hoping to happen for me. Let's see. Oh, and it even has a pump. Like, this is beautiful packaging. I'm going to start out putting a pump onto the back of my hand. And it does seem like a thin formula, like it's gonna run down my hand. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying it to half of my face. And I did not put on a primer before this because I just wanted to see how this foundation is on its own, but I did do my regular skincare, so I am wearing a moisturizer. Oh, so it does go on pretty thin, and that's light coverage right now. So hopefully it is buildable to that medium to full coverage like it claims. But I do like that you can also get a nice light coverage that looks very undetectable on the skin. Like, it's not leaving any texture. We are off to a good start. I'm gonna do a bit more of a pump onto the back of my hand, and let's see if I can build it up over that redness on my cheek. It does seem to be buildable, and it's blending out really nicely with my go-to sponge here, which is the silicone super sponge that I use to apply my makeup every day and all of my different foundations. So I feel like now I have about medium coverage here on my cheek. Like, you can still definitely see some of the redness peeking through. So I want to see truly how buildable it is. Seems like a pretty good shade match for me. It might be a smidge pale for me right now since it's summertime, but most of the time this is going to be the right shade match for me. It definitely does feel like a lightweight formula, which I love. And I feel like that's about as much as I can get it to build up. And it's almost full coverage. If I didn't have the redness in my cheeks, I think it would look really good. Like, completely full coverage, like the rest of my face, I feel like the coverage looks perfect, just about how much I'd want. And I don't mind a little redness on my cheeks peeking through, but that is something I'm calling out, that it's not 100% full coverage. But it really does look beautiful on the skin, very smooth. I think it has like a matte to natural finish, like not super glowy, but it doesn't look dry or cakey. Wow, like, I am looking up close in my mirror here and there is no texture. It looks skin-like, exactly what I like to see in my foundation. Like, look at the difference with it versus without it. Like, that's a very impressive difference. Gosh, I love makeup and foundation. It improves my appearance so much. And then I know I don't even need a full pump to do the rest of my face. I'm gonna try and do like a half of a pump there. Okay, foundation is applied, and first impression, it lives up to the hype. It looks beautiful on the skin. So natural, so smooth, so skin-like, great coverage, lightweight, just everything I look for in a foundation. And I am absolutely blown away by the fact that it's only $5. Like, I have tried out so many foundations that are so awful compared to this, but so much more expensive. And the fact that Believe Beauty creates an amazing foundation for only $5, I just love this brand so much. I am really excited to continue wearing this for the rest of the day so I can really put this to the test, do my wear test, and I will update you in the description down below on how it lasts. If it continues to look smooth, if the coverage stays, if it ends up getting greasy or cakey or dry, anything like that, I will let you know. But gosh, I am looking up close and it looks amazing. So smooth. You can barely even tell that I'm wearing a foundation. It just looks like skin, which is always what I'm trying to go for with my foundation. I want it to look like skin. I want it to look natural. And this does. Oh, I'm so glad that this is actually as great as I was hoping for, because I had high expectations and it absolutely meets those expectations. So if you've tried out the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, oh my gosh, what a perfect name for it, because it truly is the finish of skin. Like I was saying, it looks like skin, and that's what I want. Yeah, if you've tried this out, please let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.